Here's how to get voice chat on Roblox. So first, go to the Roblox app, open it. Wait for it to load, and then go to More here, the bottom left or the bottom right. Go to More, and then go to Settings, and then in Account Info, make sure you enter your valid account details, and then also make sure you enter your birth date and verify your age using ID verification, because voice chat is not allowed if you're under 13. So you gotta verify your age if you're over 13 and you have an ID, and that will give you the option to use voice chat in Roblox. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.